Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's weekly episode on Gbpusd, I'm going to be showing you what I was trying to look out for this week that just ended, and what I'll be looking out for the next coming week. So in my last video, which I was showing in the right corner of this video here, I was saying something very promising that I know what the market is about to do. And if price should get to where I'm expecting it to get to, and I think of, okay, I know what is going to happen from that particular level. So, and I'll be doing this with respect to what the market is actually doing. Not that I really have this 100% say on the market. I do what the market, I react to what the market is saying. Now, the very first thing I'll be showing here is I had three scenarios in my last video. The very first one I was talking about was that price making it back to this H4 order block here, which is the supply level we have here, up here. So what I'm expecting was this. I was expecting price to do something like this when the market opened on Monday, something like this into this H4 order block, then sell off from that point into this H4 here. But okay, that was the first my first case. And the second case was price moving into this structure here, and this coupled with this trend line here, then selling off from that point. And that was the third case. Then that's the second case rather. The third case that I was looking at was that price not moving back into any of these conferences here, then selling off from this into this point is the third case. And the last thing I was looking at, okay, if price should sell off to these points here, I'll be observing the market movement within this demand level, this H4 order block here, which is the demand level inside this daily structure. So if price make it up, like close above it, that means I'll be looking for buy into this level here. And there's another block here too, which is the supply level there. So those are the first thing I was looking at when price gets to this point. And if price should close below this order block here, which is this demand level here and this daily structure, I'll be looking for sell into this level down here. So these are the things that I was expecting price to do on that during the week. And the very first thing that happened on Monday was that price sold off from these points here into not really Monday. I think that's ended on Tuesday and Wednesday, right? Yes, on Tuesday. Yes, on Tuesday and Wednesday, price was moving around this to close away from this level. So I sold off from this point. I'll be showing the video right away now to show how I was able to sell off into this demand level, which is this H4 order block here. So today is Monday, and the market is open, and I want to look at where to enter this trade. Like I said in my video, the one I uploaded yesterday evening, I think, about what the market is going to be doing this week. I want to be looking for selling opportunity on this Gbpusd for this week. And the very first thing I'm seeing this morning is still a bearish movement though. So, but I was expecting price to make it back into this trend line or this supply level here. But with the way I'm looking at it, that might not happen, and it can still happen anyway. So what will I be doing this morning? I want to be selling this into this demand level here. That's what I want to be doing this morning. So, but what is happening right now is this: price close massively bearish, and I want to be looking for selling opportunity on a 15-minute time frame. So what will I do? I'll go to the 15-minute time frame. Then I'll wait for price to make it back, because there is a break of structure here that I'm seeing on 15-minute time frame right now. As you can see, there's a break of structure. This level here was taken out. This whole level here was taken out. This one too here was taken out. So I'm gonna bring out not that. Actually, what I'm gonna do That was a break of structure. So what would I be expecting now? I'm expecting price to make it back to this order block here, which is going to define my point of interest. So I use the 15-minute order block, and then I go to the 30-minute also to refine that. I use this to, you can see the one we have on the 30 minutes is a very massive one. I wouldn't want to use that. I wouldn't want to use this one. But let me see the peaks. Okay, I think we're going to use that. I wish to be. Okay, fine. So what will I be looking at for? Waiting for price to put back into this point of interest that was defined by this order block here, this 15-minute order block. So this is my point of interest now. But waiting for price to make it back into that this level here. Then I'm looking for price reaction along that. Waiting for price to make it back, something like this. Then drop it from that point. So we are heading into this point here. So let's see what the market would do. You can see this level 2 here has been taken out. Has it? Yeah. So waiting for price to pull back into this point of interest that will set from that point. So this is what I'm looking for throughout the day if I'm going to enter any trade today on Gbpusd. So I'm currently in this trade right now. I was expecting price to pull back to this trend line in the morning, this trend line here, to make like a third touch here on my POI, then the trend line, then drop it from there. That was what I was expecting in the morning, but look at what's happened here. Price moved to this my Fibonacci retracement level. That was what I drew from this point here to this point here. So that's my fib level. So my 50618 is within this level here. That was where I have that there. So after price respected that level, I pull in on that immediately. As you can see from this charts right now, I pull in on that immediately. So the trade is still running and it's still moving in my favor. It is still moving in my favor. So let me just clear this chart to have minimal stop on my screen. So this is still moving. And where am I expecting price to go to? I'm expecting price to move into this level here, within this demand level. That is what I'm expecting price to get to. But currently, price is still moving in my favor. So what will I do now? I'll just try to break even. Let me break even on my entry. Okay. So let me break even on this. Let me break even on this. Boom. Modify. Now, after watching that video, you can see how I was able to sell off into this point here. And the very next thing I'll be looking out is to buy after price was able to make it out of this demand level here, this H4 structure. As you can see, it's very clear. Let me zoom that. So price close above this demand level here. You can see this is the candlestick that call me into this buy opportunity. So what did I do? I bought from that point into a level here, into a structure here, because when you're trading, you should know where to go out of the trade. Yes, you should know the point at which you have to just, okay, this is the point of it, I'm going to go out of this trade. So the very first place I was looking at to get out of this point, if I'm buying it, is this level here, is this structure here. And that was the first point at which I get out of the market after getting into this buy. Because after this market close away from this, I will look out for the setup within this region here, and I bought from this level into this level here. So that is what I was talking about. Let me show the screenshot of what really happened here. Okay, yes, this is a screenshot of what really happened after price left that demand level, that's H4 order block. You can see price move away from it with this mad impulsive movement. You can see pulling back into it. I want to see a break of structure, and this level here was taken out by this movement here. You can see. So I look at this the order block at this level here to define my point of interest. Though I have some other setup around this place, which I took the trade and I was stopped out with this bearish movement. I wasn't expecting price to dip into this point, though I think I entered at this order block here. That was where I was stopped out with this movement here. I took a loss on that, and this is the next one that I put in from this point here, and I bought from this point here. After seeing price respecting that point of interest, then I was able to enter the trade again, and I was out on this level here, which is this level that I was talking about here. So this level here, we have a demand level there too, a supply level there rather, that indicates where price is going to stop. And that was why I was anticipating my take profit at this level here, and I was out on this at this level. So I pull in again after price pull back again into this level, and that was the second entry. Let me show that screenshot too. So this is the second entry that I pulled in again. I was seeing price. Can see price took out this level here, and I anticipated that price is going to come back into this point of interest there, which was defined by this order block around this level here. Price tested into it and moved away from that point. So currently this trade is moving in my favor. So where am I looking to go out of this trade? I'm looking at this general order block up there. Let me show that on the trading view. This is where I'm expecting price to, let me take out this. This is where I'm expecting price to get to right now on this second entry, which I already have it on break even. You can see. So this is where I'm expecting price to move to. So by next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, any day that is going to happen, I can't predict when that is going to happen. But what am I expecting price to do is that I'm expecting price to pull up into this H4 order block here, which is in line with this trend line here, then to give me the sell opportunity from this point. But if price fail to do whatever it needs to do here, we're looking at this structure up here on this supply level up here too. So these are what I'll be looking at for next week. But for now, we're still in a buy, and the buy is on break even already, because price can still respect this level and turn back into this old daily structure down here. So it's a very, very good trade setup. What I'll be looking at for next week is this. It's very clear. I'll be looking at market reaction to this level again, to this level here again, to see what is going to happen. Our price is going to come back into this particular level, and I'll be looking for buy opportunity to the upside again. But for now, Monday morning, I won't do anything. I'll preserve the market to get to a particular point, to get to one of my confluences, one of my points of interest for me to know what to do next. But this is what happened over the weekend. Over the week, I was able to just take the trade of Tuesday into this demand level here. Then on Wednesday, stroke Thursday into this structure. So that was the only two trades that I took last week. And let's see what's going to happen. Every day is not, I don't trade every day. It depends on how the market is doing. You can see how the market is ranging since last year December. You can see we've been in this range since last year December, and this is January. January is also almost ending. Today is 28th of December, so of January rather. We don't know what's going to. I want to see market, because if you can zoom the whole picture, you can see that market has been ranging. So for me to be able to know which side market is going to pick, is for me to see a break out of this whole bunch of range that we have here. So you have to do the upside or to the downside. So once the market pick a particular direction there, I know the market is going down or is going up. But for now, we're still in this range. So market can move in any particular direction within this range during this period. So you can't actually predict where is it going to move to, how is it going to move. You understand? The only thing you need to do is to react to what the market is doing, and that is what I do. Currently, by Monday morning, I will just be folding my hands to see where the market is going to. But I want to see market push back into this demand level, into the supply level here, or this structure, or this supply level up here. So once market respects your levels, that is when you'll be looking for trading opportunity. But for now, we're still on the buy side of the market. I want to see the buy. I want to see more buy into this, any of these 4 conferences. We have trend line, we have demand level here, we have structure, we have another demand supply level here, and that supply level here. So these are the things that we're looking at for by Monday. But now nothing has been done. Just observing my current trade. So that is what is really happening on Gbpusd for this week. So if you find any value in this in any of my videos, or this one that I'm currently giving you, please kindly give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then most importantly, turn on the notification bell to be among those that will be seeing any new content that will be giving out on this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.